Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling system protection so Windows can save restore points. Open Start, type Create a Restore Point and press Enter. That takes you straight to System Properties. Select the system drive, usually C, and click Configure. Turn on System Protection, set max usage to 5 to 10% or a value you prefer, then Apply and OK. Once done, you've allowed Windows to store snapshots. Make sure disk space allocation is realistic so points aren't deleted too quickly. Now you create a scheduled task that makes restore points automatically. Open Task Scheduler and choose Create Task. Name it Auto Restore Point so it's identifiable. Configure the trigger, set daily or at logon, then tweak delay or repetition if you want frequent snapshots. For the action, choose Start a Program. Use PowerShell. EXE and add arguments to call checkpoint computer with a descriptive name and restore point type modify settings. Make sure to run with highest privileges so system restore can execute without permission errors. Finally, test the setup and know one key troubleshooting step. Run the scheduled task manually and then open System Restore to verify a new point appears. This confirms everything works. If it fails, check Task Scheduler history and run the PowerShell command directly as administrator to capture error messages. Make sure the System Restore service is running and that you allocated non-zero disk usage. If max usage is 0% or service is disabled, restore points won't be created. Fix those and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.